Self-watering raised beds are a game-changer for gardeners, especially for those with busy schedules or living in hot, dry climates. These beds ensure consistent hydration for plants while reducing water waste and maintenance. In this guide, we'll take you step by step through the process of building your very own DIY self-watering raised bed. By the end, you'll have an efficient, productive growing space that saves time and conserves resources. Be sure to subscribe to Hydrohaven and share this guide with fellow gardening enthusiasts who want to simplify their gardening practices. A self-watering raised bed uses a reservoir system to supply plants with water directly to their roots through capillary action. This approach not only reduces water consumption but also prevents overwatering, one of the most common mistakes gardeners make. Additionally, it promotes healthy root growth and ensures plants thrive even during dry spells. Whether you're growing vegetables, herbs, or flowers, a self-watering raised bed is a sustainable solution that can be customized to fit your space and needs. The beauty of DIY projects lies in their flexibility, and this raised bed is no exception. You can build it using simple materials that are widely available. Gather untreated wood for the frame, a durable plastic liner for the water reservoir, PVC pipes for water delivery, and a wicking material such as gravel, sand, or landscape fabric. Make sure to have tools like a saw, drill, screws, and a staple gun handy to assemble the structure efficiently. Start by determining the size and shape of your raised bed. Consider your available space and what you intend to grow. For most gardens, a bed that is 3 to 4 feet wide and 6 to 8 feet long works well. The height should be at least 12 to 18 inches to allow enough depth for the reservoir and soil. If you're working with limited space, you can create a compact design while still enjoying the benefits of the self-watering system. Once you've decided on the dimensions, sketch a rough design. Your plan should include the water reservoir at the base, a soil bed above it, and an access point to refill the reservoir. Visualizing your project will help ensure you have all the materials and tools you need before starting. To construct the frame, cut your untreated wood to the desired dimensions. Assemble the pieces into a rectangular shape, securing them with screws or nails. Reinforce the corners with brackets if needed for added stability. A sturdy frame is essential, as it will support both the soil and water weight. Line the interior of the frame with a plastic liner to prevent water from leaking out of the reservoir. Attach the liner securely to the sides using a staple gun, ensuring it covers the entire bottom and overlaps slightly at the edges. The reservoir is the heart of your self-watering raised bed. Start by laying down a layer of gravel or other wicking material at the bottom of the bed. This material will act as a conduit, allowing water to move upward into the soil. Spread the gravel evenly to ensure consistent wicking throughout the bed. Install a PVC pipe vertically at one corner of the bed. This pipe will serve as the fill tube for the reservoir, allowing you to add water easily without disturbing the soil. Cut the pipe to extend a few inches above the bed's edge, and drill small holes along its lower portion to help water flow into the reservoir. Next, add a perforated layer or barrier, such as a plastic sheet with holes or landscape fabric, on top of the gravel. This barrier will separate the soil from the reservoir while still allowing water to wick upward. Secure the edges of the barrier to prevent soil from seeping into the gravel layer. Now that your reservoir is in place, it's time to fill the bed with soil. Use a high-quality potting mix that retains moisture while providing proper drainage. Avoid using heavy garden soil, as it may compact and interfere with the wicking process. Fill the bed until the soil reaches just below the top edge of the frame. Smooth it out evenly, and water it thoroughly to settle the soil. Once the soil is in place, your raised bed is ready for planting. Choose crops that thrive in raised beds, such as leafy greens, tomatoes, peppers, and herbs. Plant your seeds or seedlings according to their spacing requirements. Since your self-watering system will provide consistent hydration, your plants are likely to grow faster and healthier than in traditional beds. With your DIY self-watering raised bed complete, all that's left is to maintain it. Regularly check the water level in the reservoir by looking into the fill pipe. Refill the reservoir as needed, especially during hot weather when plants require more hydration. You can also add a layer of mulch to the soil surface to retain moisture and reduce evaporation. Inspect the bed periodically to ensure there are no leaks or blockages in the wicking system. If you notice any issues, address them promptly to keep your bed functioning efficiently. Your self-watering raised bed offers numerous advantages that will elevate your gardening experience. It reduces water waste by delivering moisture directly to plant roots, minimizes the need for daily watering, and helps prevent diseases caused by overwatering. Additionally, it's a fantastic solution for gardeners in areas with water restrictions or inconsistent rainfall. Building a DIY self-watering raised bed is more than just a fun project. It's a step towards sustainable gardening and a healthier planet. By investing a little time and effort upfront, you'll enjoy an efficient, productive garden that supports your lifestyle and the environment. If you found this guide valuable, don't forget to subscribe to Hydro Haven for more gardening tips and projects. Share this video with your friends and fellow gardeners to inspire them to create their own self-watering raised beds. Together we can make gardening accessible, efficient, and rewarding for everyone.